Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I took an ordinary ornament storage box and how I turned it into a barrette box. If you're not familiar with the barrette boxes, the barrette box, at least that's what I grew up calling it, was a staple in most black girls' childhoods. It's pretty much a box or a container where we stored our barrettes, bows, bobo, or I think they call them knockers or something like that. Combs, brushes, scrunchies, rubber bands. Like, it's literally where we kept all our hair accessories. And so I just wanted to create I guess can you say modern, like an updated version. I know mine was literally just a bucket with all those thrown in there, but this is an option for those of you who want things more organized and not such of a cluttered mess. So everything that I got, including the storage box, I got at Walmart, and then I also got some hair supplies from my beauty supply store. My beauty supply store, they have this deal where you can get 6 packs of barrettes for $5. So I ended up getting 12 packs of barrettes and bobos and stuff like that for $10, which I think is a really good deal. The only thing that I don't have in this barrette box are like beads and shells and stuff like that, but I'll probably include that in the second one that I plan to make later on in the future. But yeah, pretty much what I did for this process was I took the box, and the great thing about this storage box is the fact that it has removable slots, so you can make your spaces in your box as small or as big as you want them to, and so that really comes in handy depending on what you have in there. Most of the work that I did on the box was just decorating. You don't have to decorate this box like I did. If you just want to just buy the box and then put your boards and stuff in there and call it a day, that's perfectly fine. But I am extra. I can't do anything less than extra. So for the outside, I had some flowers from another project I had that I bought from Dollar Tree. I cut the stems off and I hot glued them. Then I took a canvas and I just painted and did some designs on it and painted my niece's name on there, and I hot glued that as well. So that's what you're looking at on the front. For the rim around the box, I took some ribbon and I cut and measured it, the circumference of the top, and I hot glued that on to the trim or the border. It served as a border on the box as well. For the inside of the box, I took a piece of poster board and I took some ribbons and I glued them to the foam board, but I only glued the ends of it so that the clips will have something to stick onto, so that the clips could slide through. I also tried to do make some little loops to put your headbands through, but I wasn't quite successful on that process. And quite frankly, I think that if you were to put headbands right there, the box wouldn't be able to close. So for the actual storage part of the box, again, I just color coordinated the barrettes, the headbands, the bobos, rubber bands, and stuff like that. I made my slots as big as I needed them to be. And yeah, of course, this is not everything. You can always add to it. But yeah, this is pretty much my version of a DIY barrette box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I do apologize for not having a step-by-step process. I do plan on doing that in the future, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for the next video.